Good morning. Let's take you through what the equity markets are doing here in India at the start of trade on the last trading day of the week. You have the benchmark indices that have flitted between narrow gains and losses at the start. In fact, they've just, as I am looking at the screen, turned negative. And they are currently trading with very narrow cuts, or rather they're flat right now. The Nifty 50 trading at just about 17,400. The broader markets are actually doing quite well because the breadth of the market is quite positive at this juncture. You have the mid cap index that's gaining about 1/3%, and you have the small cap index that's up about 0.9% or so. Now, what are the factors that are affecting the benchmark right now? You have the fact that you've had quite a bit of a run over the past couple of sessions, and perhaps to a certain extent you're going to see just a tad bit of consolidation. From a technical point of view, it has been said that 17,400 to 500 is going to be a significant range to watch out for the Nifty 50. There is consistent foreign institutional investors selling. Even in yesterday's session, they sold to an extent of 900 odd crores on a net basis, and this is on the back of 2,750 odd crores on the previous day, on the 1st of December, and as much as 39 or close to 40,000 crore rupees in the month of November on a net basis. Taking a closer look as to which stocks are standing out on the benchmark, right on top you have Larsen & Toubro as gaining about 2.7%. Then you have the likes of BPCL, Eicher Motors, Infosys, UPL, IOC. The breadth of the Nifty 50 is not really looking very strong. In fact, you have more declines than gainers at this point on the Nifty 50. Right at the bottom of the list, you have the likes of Nestle India, which is down about 1.5%, Bharti Airtel losing ground, SBI Life, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Sun Pharma, Asian Paints, Cipla. So quite a few pharmaceutical names. In fact, let's tell you about the sectoral performers as well. The usual suspects are in focus today as well. So you have Realty that's making a bit of a comeback. It's gaining only about 0.5% though. Not big moves for the sectoral indices at this point. You have the Nifty Bank that's trading with gains of about 1/3%. Remember, in yesterday's session, you had quite stellar gains for the benchmark, but the Nifty Bank did not really participate in that gain. PSU banks as a pack gaining about 0.5% or so. And you have the others, finance that is more or less flat, IT that is flat, auto that is flat, metals that is trading with cuts of about 0.2%, consumption, FMCG down, and pharma, the worst performer of the lot, down about 0.6% or so. From the broader markets, a couple of stocks that you have to watch out for. A couple of these reopened trade stocks got battered when the Omicron scare came in, and those are making just a tad bit of a comeback. You have PVR that is in focus, gaining about 4%, Indian Hotels gaining about 3% or so. But broadly, I would say the theme is wait and watch. Of course, the next cue that will come in will be from the Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India, and that will come up next week. As of now, as I look at the screen, we're trading just about flat for the benchmark.